Jake and I are going to Spain for our anniversary in a couple weeks, and the one thing I hear from everybody about Spain is hang on to your valuables. It sounds like pickpocketing is at its highest. It's pretty bad in a lot of places in Europe, but Barcelona, where we're going, seems to be a really big hotspot for pickpocketers. So I'm trying out an anti-theft bag that my mom is obsessed with. She's done tons of reviews on all the different types of Pacsafe bags. So this is my first Pacsafe. I'm really happy with it because it reminds me of my Lululemon Crossbody. So this is the 3-in-1 Crossbody from Pacsafe, and it comes in 3 colors. This is the navy. I really love it. There's 3 different ways you can wear it. But it's the anti-theft technology that I'm the most excited about in this bag. Let me show you the features and show you why this is really worth it if you're going anywhere just a little bit sketchy.
The first feature here is on the outside. This pocket allows you to have your phone really accessible, but this awesome secure zipper tab makes it so that nobody can open it with ease. You're definitely gonna feel someone trying to open that. This next feature is the TurnNLock security hook, and I love this because you can take it off and then you can attach your bag to your chair or your table when you're sitting there, not worrying about someone snatching it as they go out past you. It's a really cool feature. I'll show you at another angle here a little bit closer. So this black part just turns and then you won't be able to open that clasp. On the other side here, you'll find the zipper lock. So there's a little clasp that pulls out of the pocket and you can close your zipper, and I'll show you that again in a second. But first I want to show you the inside, which is RFID safe, meaning nobody can scan your passports or your credit cards inside, which is a relief. That just gave me a lot of peace of mind on my trip. So this is the lockable zipper. And this little piece here, it's stuck in the bag. It's kind of on a bungee, and then you just pull it up to clip your zipper. And nobody is opening that without you noticing. This bag is made from 5 recycled plastic bottles, but it's PFC-free, and also it has an eXomesh slash guard, so a stainless steel mesh in the fabric lining, so nobody can slash your bag and steal your stuff, which I can't believe happens, but it does. And the strap also has a wire in it, making it totally slash-proof as well, so you can just have peace of mind while you're cruising around. Affiliate link is in my description below.